I'm a 30-year-old man. I had 300 total T and I got to 360 with supplements and lifestyle. My doctor said I'm now in a normal range, so he would not treat me even though I feel like crap. Would your clinic consider helping me?
Not only would we consider, we would encourage. Look, I said this earlier. This. When you ask me what are the biggest things that irk me, this. What was the first thing I said? I said we don't take insurance. Why? Now you see why. This man, guaranteed, I'll bet you my left arm. This man went to a doctor who accepts insurance. And he fell in this goalpost of normal, and therefore he's ineligible to be treated. Your doctor's doing you a favor because your doctor has absolutely no clue how to manage hormones on a man, evidenced by his response to your situation. You went from 300 to 360. So what? So what? What did that do for you? Absolutely nothing. You went from deficient to marginally slightly less deficient temporarily, and it did absolutely nothing for you. If we took you from 360 to 860 or 960 in 8 weeks, and then we had a conversation and figured out how you felt, now we can kind of adjust the dial a little bit and figure out some other things that may be causing some of your symptoms outside of testosterone that you can start implementing to help. So again, it's a multifactorial soup of variables that needs to be untangled, figured out, assessed correctly, planned accordingly, and then implemented. Sadly, your doctor is as expected, unqualified to do that for you, and that's okay. That's why I just finished this segment saying, find someone, doesn't have to be us, but like us, that can do that for you, and all your problems go away.
Sure thing.
This is my frustration on a daily basis. Hearing those stories, I hear them every 5 minutes in my office, literally every 5 minutes.
It is frustrating.
Because all my providers come to me with these things. And at the end of the day, we sit and we have like a whole group meeting with the whole staff. And it's like, okay, who had the craziest, situation today? And we go over it. And the reason we do that is to educate the whole team about how did you handle it? How would I have handled it? What can we do to do better?